Angled bristles for 90% deeper reach than a regular manual toothbrush in laboratory testing. Power Tip Bristles. 550 extra long bristles to help clean hard-to-reach places. CrossAction bristles. Unique CrossAction bristles are angled in opposing directions to lift out and sweep away plaque. Indicator bristles. Blue indicator bristles fade halfway so you know when to replace your brush. Oral-B Pro-Health Superior Clean Toothbrush with CrossAction bristles has superior plaque removal. It removes up to 90% of hard-to-reach plaque. Versus a regular manual toothbrush one-time brushing studies. Top reviews from the United States. Great toothbrush. This is the kind of toothbrush that my dentist gave me the last time I had a cleaning. I like it very much and then found the exact same Oral-B brush on Amazon. I recommend it.